What is up, everyone? Patrick here, and in this video I'll be doing a brief feature review of the Panasonic Lumix G9 mirrorless camera. Now, it is definitely a professional camera, but you could consider it a high-level hobbyist camera too if you're looking for specs just like this, and I'll include a link down in the description to this camera so you can check it out for yourself. Now, starting off, it's boasting a 20.3 megapixel camera, just like its predecessor, the G7. However, the G9 supports a special photo mode that allows up to 80 megapixel photographs. It has a boost to the sensor that gives you just ultimate quality when taking photos, making this a professional powerhouse. Now, that's not to say video's neglected either, because it supports 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, which is definitely becoming the professional standard, and you can even shoot with slow-mo by shooting full HD at up to 180 frames per second. Now, because you're going to be shooting footage like that, it's going to take up a lot of storage, and the G9 has dual SD card slots to help you take care of this problem, because it just doubles your storage space right out of the gate. With an OLED viewfinder, 5-axis dual image stabilization, and a status LCD screen on the very top of your camera, you can really stand out in not just the photos but the video you take with a tool like this, because it gives you so much informational data and so much control over what you're shooting. And when you're shooting, focus plays a huge factor. That's where that OLED screen comes into play, because it just gives you extra clarity when using the viewfinder. And it also has 225 autofocus points, which has come to become the standard for Panasonic Lumix G series cameras. They almost all have that 225 point autofocus, as well as custom autofocus points to help you focus in on a specific subject when you're shooting video or photo. So definitely check out the Panasonic Lumix G9 camera, because this is a great professional camera, and right now you can get it on Amazon for about $1,300, or if you catch it on sale, about $1,000. And I'll include a link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself, and like the video if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments what you think about the Panasonic Lumix G series. I am in love with all of these cameras, and it seems like every time they release a new one, they just keep refining and refining them. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications to see our other videos, and thanks for watching.